back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, so nice to see you again. Right now, as you can see, I have some nice voluminous beach body curls in my hair from AliPearl hair. So this gorgeous wig is from their collection where they have the wigs pre-plucked, pre-parted, and pre-bleached and pre-curled, so you do not have to do nothing. Like, this wig is sent from God. AliPearl, you did that. It was such a breeze to install this unit, and in all honesty, I installed it in under 25 minutes. Insane. I started at around 440 something, and now it's 512 literally, and this wig is gorgeous. I love how nice and full it is, and I talk some more about it in the latter part of today's video. So far, as you can see, I'm running my hands through it. I'm not receiving any tangling, and this is just a testament because I do this pretty much the whole video. I'm getting little to no shedding each time I run my hands through it, and I could do this probably all day. So if you are looking for a wig that's super nice and thick, it's not super prone to shedding, shedding is definitely at a minimum or next to nothing, definitely go ahead and check out this wig. The gorgeous wig unit links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
Don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never help your mans, don't talk to me. You should follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar on the bar. In the sky, I'm a star. I don't fall in love, cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt, that's a large. I don't care, I catch a ghost. 2 kids in 2 states, I be doing the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Type of money you gon' do sight. Type of money you gon' do bang. From the hoes, type of money make you still bang. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Big bang, take little bang, bang.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Chopper kind of go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know titty shining like a grillet. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrows. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bang, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bankroll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try.
Big bang, take little bang, bang. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Type of money you gon' do sight. Type of money you gon' do bang. From the hoes, type of money make you still bang. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Big bang, take little bang.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. Everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we still here. I'm a first generation millionaire. I broke the curse of my family not having it. I'm passionate like girls is after more than just cash and dick. Feed me to the wolves, now I lead the package. You boys all cap, I'm more college cap, but Nick, I'm rare as affordable healthcare. Or growing the wealth from welfare. I turn my W's to M's, yeah, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 coins, that'll pay your whole semester. But you gotta write it better than a Tesla.
Big bang, take little bang, bang. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Type of money you gon' do sight. Type of money you gon' do bang. From the hoes, type of money make you still bang. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Big bang, take little bang.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I met Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bums mad again. Back to them, I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these rap again. Damn chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank out. Tell tip rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my like a stank house.
Alright you guys, so my gorgeous unit is from AliPearl Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 250 density body wave wig unit in 24 inches. This is what 24 looks like on me. I love this texture. It's body wave of course, but because it was pre-curled, it just comes in like this coarse-ish texture. I don't even know how to put my hands on it, but honestly I am absolutely loving it. And if you'd like to go ahead and purchase this gorgeous unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. AliPearl just comes through with the good wigs all the time. This lace came pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached. All I had to do was install this wig. It was pre-curled. Like, get into this. Can we get into this? AliPearl, you ate that. But I just went ahead and cut some, you know, face framing situations, like layers, so that way I'm able to have these curls be more voluminous in the front, and I love it. The fullness of this wig is definitely there. I'm running my hands through it. It's super full and the curls literally will not fall. So I know this is perfect for the girl who wanted to try curls and she doesn't really know how to use her curling iron just yet. This is the perfect unit for you because you necessarily did not have to curl this hair or recurl it. But I'm a perfectionist. I love to curl hair, so that's why I did that. But if you'd like to get your hands on this unit, it is super affordable for 250 density, and that is the thickest wig that they have currently on the market. I love this wig. I can probably put it in a half up, half down. I can wear it like this. I can do a side part, and it can be a deep side part because AliPearl has nice lace on the side, okay? So you can do that deep side part if you'd like. And the links for this gorgeous unit will be in my description box, as well as the links to AliPearl's website. The links for some discount codes will be listed as well, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. You know your girl always likes to put y'all on. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.